I just bought this $30 JBL knockoff online, and I think it quite look giving because the packaging alone. We need to go check out what's inside. So guys, let's go check out what a JBL knockoff has to offer under $30. Let's dive in. So here's the product. If you care to see the packaging, it feels a little premium though. Okay, it's actually giving though. It's giving the kind of black kind of vibe around it. Kind of nice. Are you ready? Wow, I think it has a kind of a pouch, or should I say mini bag to it, just like the original does. Okay, I haven't even seen the original before, but I'm already okay with this and a little user manual. And I think this is the real company that does the product wireless. They did a pretty good job copying JBL and they didn't really slack at it. So let's check the main product that's in here. 3, 2, 1, and your JBL is here. So the name of the product is what? JBL Tune 960, JBL by Harman, which active noise cancelling, which I don't believe. Wow, the matte black finish. First red flag, listen music bass. JBL no write something like this on their packaging, but it's quite a nice product and I think I love it. I love this. So let's go check out the sound quality. Okay, and it has a metal overhead. This, oh wow, this will be durable. For it to have a metal and feel this strong, this will be very durable. So it's worth the $30 I bought it for. I didn't throw away cash. I didn't waste my money on stupid shit. Let's go check it out. Let's go. So I think this has a quite nice finishing. The metal parts, which is the part I love the most. And you know, it's not that as fragile as most of the JBL copycats or clones we see in town. And come to think of it, the matte black finish on this thing alone is like high quality. Like just look at it. It feels premium, even though this listen music bars is not something JBL would do. So let's just assume they know nothing about this. It's just a knockoff. But aside that, it feels very premium. Like Charlie, just for $30 and I got this. So imagine the more expensive knockoffs, how much they would like, how much quality they have to offer. And I think it's time we turn it on and check the sound quality. Is it even coming on? Okay, power on. So let's check the sound quality on this thing. My head is quite big, so I need to extend it. And so this is left. Okay. See, that's not bad. Wow. Wow, you can barely hear any noise from outside because it has enough foam to go around, so you can barely hear any noise from outside. And because of that, it gives room for the sound to actually, you know, gives its, should I say, crisp kind of depth feeling for you. And I think this is nice. Maybe you should also hear this. I don't know if you can hear it, but Charlie, can you hear? Wow. So from the finishing, the matte black kind of finishing, the metal, and everything except for this, and the sound quality I've heard from this, and I think it's a cool 8/10 for it. Even though I've not used the real or the original JBL before to know the kind of quality it provides, we'll get there. But I think this is an 8/10 for whoever did this. It's kind of cool. So challenge, subscribe to this channel if you like this video so far, and we will vibe in the next one. See you. Bye bye.